again, one more time.
I loved that dress of yours, Bugani. I thought Parsi होता था, I know something went there. A white wedding.
I know. नहीं वो सरकार अभी एक स्कीम निकाल रही है कि जितने पद्मश्री हो गए अभी तो पेट्रोल भी नहीं माफ होती, अगली बार से पेंट दिया करेंगे। पेट्रोल भी नहीं माफ होता अब इसमें लड़ाई नहीं
About?
This proud moment.
Oh, I think it's very rare that a person in his or her prime as an Indian gets to be commemorated by the government, and to be given a Padma Shri is like to be given that halo on your head which is invisibly there. And since we see someone who's pioneer into an industry जो हमारे देश में predominantly हम औरतों को कहते हैं उनका काम है, I think in the era of femme power, when Sanjeev wins, I feel all of us women folk win. This is the kind of work we're doing back in our homes every day, which is, to make food passionately for our home, which is blessed with love, affection, and a lot of care. And SK has been doing this for years, and for him to get this award at a time where tourism in India, trying to be as Desi, Swadesi, wants to make a name. So when a chef makes a name, and I believe a country is very popular because of its food, I think we're celebrating the country in a way. and hopefully boosting a lot of tourism. And he truly deserves it for making us look so good internationally. So the Padma Shri just adds that, like I said, halo on the head.
I'm too serious. अरे मैं क्या कहूँ, अभी जब टीवी शुरू हुआ था तब से संजीव जी है, अभी तक उनके बाल काले हैं, कितने सालों से कर रहे हैं सेम थिंग, एंड आई कांग्रेचुलेट हिम बिकॉज ही इज द पर्सन हु स्टार्टेड द मूवमेंट ऑफ फूड ऑन टेलीविजन. Nobody is more responsible for everybody who's doing food on television than Sanjeev is. Okay, so congratulations Sanjeev, आपको बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
Congratulations Sanjeev, you know he's the man with the food, and I think everybody carried the trend. Look at him right now.
भेज ही नहीं सकते. कल हम इवेंट एयरपोर्ट में मुझे किसी ने खबर नहीं That was classic. Actually, अपने वैरायटी है, हमारे में कोई वैरायटी नहीं. Thank you so much.
So proud, huh? Proud by. अभी वो waiting. that's nice. So, what is the food tonight? That's our daughter. Hello, hi, congratulations.
Do what you want.
That's my wife, ma'am. I think I'm writing a very careful seat for you to be comfortable and offset. ऐसा हम लोग ने डिसीजन लिया
I know Sanjeev ji for a while now, and he's a wonderful person and chef. What I can't say anything because he's one of the best chefs that we have, and I've tried his food, which is like really yummy. So I just want to wish him and actually congratulate him because this is something really very, very, very honorable, and this is something very awesome. So I wish him. Actually, I want to congratulate him, and I wish him lots more awards and everything on his way.
जी जी एक्चुअली मैं और संजीव जी पिछले 20-25 साल से एसोसिएटेड हैं और मुझे पता है कि उन्होंने काफ़ी परिश्रम किया है और शेफ्स के किरदार को बहुत नवाजा है हिंदुस्तान में, और मुझे लगता है कि ये फूड इंडस्ट्री के लिए और शेफ्स इंडस्ट्री के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है और सबके लिए एक ओपनिंग मिली है, और आई एम श्योर आगे चल के सभी लोग बेनिफिट करेंगे इससे।
After that, we had trouble where we said you can't charge service charge anymore. You have to control your portions. You have to if somebody wants 1/4 of a roti, then that 1/4 of a roti has to be served. We had GST coming around. We had Delhi not issuing any more. 1 lakh people suddenly overnight just lost their jobs, and it was crazy. And I remember when Saji was organizing this food awards, and we were both, and there was everything going around, happening all around us. And in the middle of it all, there was this NDTV interview where Sanjeev was, of course, the calmest man in the room. I don't know how he manages to do that. He's also helping create other chefs. And now he's got into Butter Chef, which is a fantastic range of home kitchen appliances. You must check it out. And he does all of these things, and he's absolutely the calmest person in the room. I'm like, how does he manage to do this? Any tips from the house? Is he this way at home as well? Is he the calmest man in the house? So, I don't know how he manages to do this. But I have to say that in spite of the fact that it has been possibly the worst happened for this industry, is Sanjeev being recognized by one of the highest honors that India has to offer. So a big hand of applause to Sanjeev. But absolutely to actually go and tell their parents that I am hospitality industry join कर रहा हूँ. It was always शर्मा के मतलब अगर आगे कुछ नहीं बना तो hospitality industry में गया. Actually that is not true. It is possibly the toughest, hardest business around, and also one of the most thankless businesses around. So thank you for being a beacon and a leader for all of us, so that we can proudly say that एक दिन मैं भी संजय कपूर जैसा बनूँ. There's also not just respect, but there's tremendous love. I know Zorawar has been at the airport since morning.
That smile and those one-liners and that naughtiness, everything has to come out now.
What pressure, oh my God. So this is, these kind of moments make you speechless. No matter how much you want to speak, no matter words that you want to say, maybe you may prep it for days, maybe you may prep it for months, but when the moment comes, it becomes very difficult. You don't know what to say. Everything is overwhelming. And that's the feeling that I have right now. That feeling which makes you, which gives you so much more power and energy to do much more. So, first of all, thank you guys. Thank you for all the love and affection that you have showered. I'm not sure whether I deserve it all. There's one thing that I say every day, which is, because there are many times that people want to buy me with money, and I say one thing, that I have much more than I need, I have much more than I deserve. So you cannot buy me. So, I feel that whatever was said, there was excess in that. That's my view, but thank you anyway. I really appreciate the thought. I cannot thank enough for this evening. There's so much that's going on that I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what should I start with. But I think one thing which I would want to share this moment is with someone who's not with me, which is my father. I know that he would have loved to see this, because I remember a big party we did when we done 10 years of our first book, and he spoke on the stage and he said that आज से पहले मुझे मेरे नाम से सुरेंद्र कपूर जाना जाता था, और अब सब लोग मुझे संजीव कपूर के फादर के नाम से जानते हैं. I feel that I am still his son. So thank you, Dad. My mom is here with me. These two people. So people ask me that how do you do all these things? And whenever I'm teaching, when I'm talking to chefs, I say three things: that if you want to be a good chef, get all the skills that you can, get as much knowledge about those skills that you can, and build a great value system around it. And that's when you would be a great chef. Not only skills, not only knowledge, but you have to get that value system, and that probably is much bigger than anything else. That's what I got from my family, got from my parents. So that was the foundation. That's what I made my beginning from, and from there on, it's been simple, bed of roses, I would say. I have never had a day which has been tough. I have never had a day when I have felt that it is not going to a plan. I have not had a thing which I feel that, oh my God, what next? It's just been so easy. It's not, it's never been difficult. So I wish and hope that this continues not only for me, but it also continues with everyone that I am associated with. All my family, all my friends, all my colleagues, everyone. I wish that that kind of luck for everyone. I believe that I have been very, very lucky. I've been blessed. So that's what I would like to say. In terms of my professional career, there are many things that I did. I've been, there are many people that trained me. Once I quit my hotel job, when I had to start again literally with a, I don't even know what our bank balance was, probably less than 1 lakh rupees, no house to live in this city of Mumbai, and still never had any issues. The only thing that we had was belief, and I was lucky that I not only had belief, I had my wife Alyona also. I told you my luck. So I was doing very well in the industry. I got recognition, I did everything. But the real luck started when Lady Luck came into my life. And that continues. So बहुत लोग पूछते हैं कि आपके इतने साल में कोई आपका लफड़ा नहीं हुआ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं कहा डफर होगा जो इतना, मतलब लक अपना कोई खराब थोड़ी करेगा, सोचो कोई, राइट? दिमाग ही खराब होगा किसी का. So I also look at her. So I have been blessed in many ways, and I hope that this continues. And along the way, I also had the fortune of getting to work with the people who we started to work as at times business partners, at times colleagues, and then over a period of time, we all became family. We all became family, such close family that I cannot even tell you. I can tell you that Harsha is sitting here in his laughing Buddha mode, right? With his bliss on his face. He can vouch for that. That what I mean by that when I say business partners getting into families. Whether it's Harsha, Anantab, Vinayak, Adarsh, Rajiv, Dipen, or Ravi, or anyone. There are so many, Mr. Mankar. I think the family is so big and I cannot name everyone. But so thank you everyone for being part of this, because I don't think this recognition is for me, it is for us. This recognition is for people who have been with me. I am just the receiver of this. As I would like to say that I don't think I deserve this. And even if I do, it's thanks to all the people in our companies, in my family, anyone, whether it is someone who is working as the CEO of Food, or a talent on Food, or my friends, or anyone who's associated with us. This award is for them. I'm just a trustee for that award. And as a trustee, I have a responsibility. अगर विश्वस्त कहा है तो विश्वास रखो कि उस विश्वास पे खरा उतरो. So I can say that आप लोगों ने हमेशा राजीव ने एक सचिन तेंदुलकर जी की बात बताई. सचिन तेंदुलकर जी के साथ में बहुत एक अच्छी चीज है कि सबको उनके ब्रदर के बारे में भी पता है. किस्सा कुछ हमारे यहाँ भी ऐसे है. माई ब्रदर राजीव इज हेयर एंड कमाल की बात है, मतलब लोग मुझे यंग कहते हैं, बड़ा है छोटा दिखता है मेरे से. पता नहीं क्या खाते हैं, कौन से चक्की का खाते हैं मुझे. So, but I think he's been with me every time I want to do something which is not right. He'll tell me, why should I not do it? Right. So there is always some check that is there in my life. So thank you for that. I think anyone and everyone who is in this room today is responsible for me getting this award. So a big thank you to all of you. Really, I mean it. It's not something that I'm just saying it, because we have kept this gathering as to be very tight, very small, not something which we don't want to. There is not anyone in this room who I would not have my phone number on my phone on. So I think that's what, right, Ruben? कुछ एक दो लोग आज मिले हैं तो उनका भी आ जाएगा. एक प्रॉब्लम मेरी, सच बोलो सुखी रहो, एक ही बार बोलना पड़ता है, ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना पड़ता कब क्या बोला था, कहाँ बोला था, क्या बोला था. In this journey, I've been also blessed with two beautiful daughters who, Rachita and Kriti, who always make me look good. मतलब कहीं कुछ जरा सी गलती हो जाए, कहीं ग्रामर की गलती, कहीं जरा सी कुछ हो जाए, Dad, what is this? Dad, मतलब वो ऐसे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल ने नहीं इतना झाड़ा होगा जितना इतना प्रेशर किसी ने कोई. अच्छा आज क्या पका रहे हो हमारे लिए? नहीं, ऐसा वैसा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. We want master chef standard. आप बनाओगे, हम जज करेंगे. So that's what they are, and I'm really blessed to have them as my daughters. So this award is thanks to you also, because इतनी सारी चीज़ें करते हुए बहुत सारी और गलतियाँ हो सकती हैं. एक आखिरी में चीज़ कहूँगा, जितने फ्रेटर्निटी के लोग हैं हमारे, चाहे वो होटल से हैं, NRI से हैं, या फिर आज Sanjay's full organization who has been able to do this, or all the friends, and Mr. Kapoor, Rishi or Neetu ji, I recently met them, but for some strange reason, and we were talking, Alyona and I, we were talking, that we are very, we are not people who want to do anything. हम दूर रहते हैं बहुत सारी चीज़ों से. We don't want to be in. हमें कोई बोलता है कि हम मुंबई में नहीं रहते. We are very happy with it. But we met them briefly, and ये लगा नहीं, ये सिर्फ कपूर नहीं है, ये हमारे परिवार वाले. And sir, I don't know if I told you, but we have a very close family relation. जो अपने कभी किसी को नहीं बताते, but and that's what I felt from both of you. Thank you very much for that. एक लास्ट चीज़, मैं हमेशा, क्योंकि मेरी टीम हमेशा ये सुनती है, देखती है, I'm not an easy person to work with. I'm a very, very difficult person to work with. Some people are laughing. Yes, of course. Yes. Or yeah, I can say that again. Yes, I can say that again. Yes. I'm a very difficult person to work with. I am not. I'm not easy. I am. मतलब मैं 1 मिनट में रुला सकता हूँ. मैं ऐसा इंसान हूँ. I can cut like. मतलब I'm ruthless. I'm ruthless. But what to do? That's my job. But today I want to acknowledge and say, I know that not everyone is there. There are very few people who are representing our team. That this award, this Padma Shri award, is dedicated to all my team. Without you guys, I am nothing. Without my friends, I am nothing. Without my colleagues, I am nothing. Without my family, I am nothing. Without blessings of all of you here, I am nothing. Without blessings of Almighty God, I am nothing. And I prefer to be nothing. Thank you.
Pradeep Chauhanji especially come all the way and he wants to honor you with a shawl, which is probably like the highest honor most of us get when we go somewhere.
Hello, I will request Sanjay Vajirani also with me and Chef Arora also with me. Chef Arora is Guru and Sanjay and me are from Vadodara, and we will like to, on the behalf of my organization Global Gourmet and Global Hospitality, PG always visit and he always give the reference to all over. So I will request Sanjay and Chef to get it done.
अच्छा, एक मिनट, एक मुझे एक बहुत जरूरी सूचना देनी है.
हाँ.
वो ये है कि जब ऐसे ऑनर होता है, बहुत बार ऑनर होता है मेरा. Because of this honor, we started a scheme where we actually in winters we distribute blankets in north of India, thousands of them. और because शुरुआत ऐसी हुई, ये इतने इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, समझ नहीं आता क्या करो इसका. Use तो कर नहीं सकते हो, right? So that's what we started. So I'm glad. So don't stop doing this. Please do more so that more people can be helped. Yes.
Rishi ji, would you like to say something in this momentous, wonderful hour? You must say it 2 lines. आपकी तो बातें ही हमको खाने के जैसी लगती हैं. Bless you, SK. Thank you so much for always having the human touch. More than anything else, you are a star, shining star, walking the streets of India and the world. But to me, you are our SK.
Love you too.
Thank you so much.
अच्छा, ऐसा है कि मैं सब तो सामने स्माइल इतनी अच्छी आपने बहुतों की है. आप इस बार thanks for doing that. आलोक भी कुछ होने आ गया. That's thank you Sandeep, Tania. I think that there are too many of us here. So thank you again for being here. Oh, Anjan Chatterjee ji, मेरे गीत कदम कहाँ हैं? This man, I love Keith Kadam. And ये मुझे Keith Kadam खिला के करेंगे. My dear friend, जब विनोद जी मुझे नहीं नजर आ रहे हैं, but हैं यहाँ पे मुझे पता है. Vinod is there. Thank you Vinod for being there. My dear
business needs something, and that is consistency. And you know, sometimes it makes us feel better to be in an opulent environment, to be able to enjoy it, because you feel at the end of all the hard work, you deserve it. Thanks to this gentleman, Food Links is doing exactly that, celebrating great food in places like this where they're catering tonight. But of course, the rest of Food Link Services, Mr. Sanjay Vazirani, for not just hosting us, but making us look good world over.
Quality
Bollywood, you know, always happy. I'm thanking Riaz and NRI and, you know, Anurag and Zorawar to make it here. It wouldn't be possible to get, you know, this going without them. I want to thank all the fraternity members for coming here and, you know, kind of
मुबारकबाद संजीव कपूर को पद्मश्री जीतने के अवसर पर, और मैं चाहूँगा कि इसी तरह हमें वो ज़िंदगी भर खिलाते रहें स्वादिष्ट खाना। और मैं चाहूँगा कि जितना बड़ा उनका दिल है हमेशा उनका खाना भी वैसा ही रहेगा। So I am very happy to be here, and I would like that I always have the opportunity to have the best of his food. Why not?
देखो, मेरा एसोसिएशन उनके साथ उनके दिल्ली के समय से बहुत ज़्यादा पुराना है। और मेरा अपना बड़ा भाई जो है, मतलब उसमें एक तो नहायत ही शरीफ और बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंसान, लाइफ में अगर इतना ग्रो कर रहा है, और ग्रो सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं कर रहा है, अपने आसपास वालों के लिए भी ग्रो कर रहा है। ग्रोथ वो होती है बेहतरीन जो कि आसपास वालों को साथ में लेके ऊपर चले। तो क्यों खुशी नहीं हो गई आपको? I think he deserves a lot more, or you know, he underplays himself, which is good, but he deserves a lot more. मजा आ गया।
आप क्या कहेंगे? मैं क्या कहूँ, उन्होंने सारी बातें कह दी। बस हमें बहुत गर्व है कि हम इन्हें जानते हैं, और इनसे बेहतर कैंडिडेट नहीं हो सकता था पद्मश्री।
संजीव कपूर जो है मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्तों में से है, और हमने बहुत समय साथ में बिताया है। और संजीव कपूर जो अपने आप में यूनिक है, क्योंकि जिस प्रोफेशन में है और उस प्रोफेशन को यहाँ तक लाने में संजीव कपूर का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। और आज संजीव कपूर को पद्म श्री से नवाजा गया है। मैं अपनी गुड विशेस देता हूँ, उसकी फैमिली को गुड विशेस देता हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आने वाले समय में वो इस प्रोफेशन को और ऊंचाइयों तक ले जाएंगे और आने वाले समय में उन्हें और बहुत सारे अवार्ड मिलेंगे, ऐसी उम्मीद करता हूँ। क्योंकि उनका जो काम है वो बहुत ही परफेक्शन के साथ वो करते हैं, बड़े जोश के साथ करते हैं, बहुत ही मेहनत और लगन के साथ करते हैं। तो ऐसा व्यक्ति कभी भी ज़िंदगी में जो है पीछे नहीं जा सकता। उम्मीद करता हूँ आने वाले समय में आगे बढ़ता जाएगा। मेरी गुड विशेस उनके साथ हैं। ऑल द बेस्ट संजीव, गॉड ब्लेस।
सर क्या कहना चाहेंगे, आज संजीव कपूर जी को पद्मश्री अवार्ड मिला है, उसका सेलिब्रेशन हो रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस बारे में?
मैं एक्चुअली संजीव सर ने मुझे मैसेज भेजा था और मैं वर्क के साथ बहुत बिजी था, लेकिन उन्होंने आज दोपहर खुद मुझे पूछा कि मैं आ रहा हूँ कि नहीं आ रहा हूँ। एंड आई हैड रिसीव द इनवाइट ऑल्सो। तो मैंने बोला हाँ चलो, मैं कैसे भी करके मैं आ जाऊँगा। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट आई एम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट बिकॉज संजीव सर इज द फर्स्ट एवर शेफ आई सॉ ऑन टीवी। कोई अमेरिकन, कोई फॉरेन शेफ कोई नहीं था। मेरे लिए माय फर्स्ट शेफ दैट आई सॉ ऑन टीवी। और जो भी थोड़ा बेसिक्स मैं कुकिंग किया हूँ अपनी लाइफ में, वो सब उनको देखे ही हैं। एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी ही इज विनिंग अ पद्मश्री। एंड एज अ ग्रोइंग अ बॉय मैं बहुत कुछ देखा हूँ, उनके शोज बहुत सारे देखा, खाना खजाना बहुत बार देखा हूँ। ऑल द सीजन्स आई यूज्ड टू वॉच विद माय मदर एंड टुडे आई एम हियर। इट्स such a privilege, such an honor, and he truly deserves this Padma Shri. Thank you.
संजीव जी को अवार्ड मिला है, पद्मश्री से नवाजा गया है, उसके लिए आप क्या विशेष कहना चाहेंगे?
Well, I firstly want to congratulate Sanjeev because he's somebody who put food on a map when it was not there. And well, I'm really happy that he won this. It's very well deserved. And thank you, Sanjeev, for paving the way for all of us and making food so glamorous. You're a rock star.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, संजीव कपूर को पद्मश्री अवार्ड मिला, सेलिब्रेशन चल रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मेरे लिए तो शेफ संजीव कपूर एक मेंटोर, एक गाइड और मेरे इस इंडस्ट्री में होने का कारण है। उनके वजह से ही मैं एक शेफ़ बनी 5-6 साल पहले, जब उन्होंने मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस किया इस लाइन में। तो मेरे लिए मेरा जो रिस्पेक्ट है उनके लिए वो वैसे ही इतना बड़ा है। ऑफ कोर्स पद्मश्री उन्हें मिलने के बाद मुझे लगता है कि आई एम वेरी ब्लेस्ड कि मैं उनकी एक स्टूडेंट हूँ, वन ऑफ हिज मेनी स्टूडेंट्स। सो आई एम वेरी ब्लेस्ड टू बी अराउंड हिम एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट इन लाइफ।
Hi. I feel very satisfied, very proud for this achievement what Sanjeev has got. It is an honor not only for Sanjeev but for everyone who works with him, for this fraternity, for this industry, and I feel very good today. Thank you. About the?
What do you have to say about the journey, the food journey so far from there?
The journey of Sanjeev Kapoor in this industry has been phenomenal. He had come out of the kitchen when nobody has even thought about it, and he has made this profession so respectful that every chef today looks up to him and thinks like that he can also become Sanjeev Kapoor one day.
हाय, सबसे पहले तो मैं संजीव जी को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगा for getting Padma Shri Award from Honorable President. It's a rare achievement, and many congratulations, Sanjeev ji. God bless you. संजीव जी के साथ मेरा बहुत पुराना दोस्ताना रिश्ता है. हम लोग उनको शायद याद नहीं होगा, लेकिन बहुत साल पहले हम लोग अलीबाग में मिले थे और उसके बाद से ही हमारे फैमिली रिलेशंस रहे हैं. ही इज़ अ परफेक्ट गाय. वो जो भी करते हैं वो उसमें पूरी अपनी जान, अपना दिल, अपना सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर देते हैं. एंड ऑन द स्टेज ही राइटली सेड कि आई एम अ डिफिकल्ट पर्सन टू वर्क विद. Why is a difficult person to work with? Because he's a perfectionist. वो हर चीज़ को वो चाहते हैं कि इसमें कोई भी फ्लॉ ना हो. और इस तरह के इंसान जो होते हैं, जो परफेक्शनिस्ट की कैटेगरी में आते हैं, वही ये इस तरह का अवार्ड डिजर्व करते हैं. क्योंकि अगर आप जिस भी प्रोफेशन में हैं, चाहे वो मेरी फील्ड हो एक्टिंग की या कोई भी फील्ड हो, अगर आप उसमें परफेक्शन नहीं ढूंढ रहे हैं या आपका टारगेट वो नहीं है, तो आप एक पर्टिकुलर हाइट के ऊपर नहीं जा सकते. एंड आई थिंक संजीव कपूर, एज वी ऑल नो, द फेमस शेफ, द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल अमॉन्गस्ट ऑल, is there only because he's too good in his job and he goes in the minutest details of whatever he prepares. So congratulations, sir. You deserve this award. Thank you.
Extremely excited about hosting and being a host to such brilliant audience of a fraternity here. Sanjeev has been a mentor and a dear friend for many years for me, and every time I have needed help, he's just been a phone call away. So when he won the Padma Shri and I heard of it, I felt as if the award is coming to the family. And the same day I decided, as we get opportunity, we should have the association together and all his friends, family together to celebrate this. So I'm super excited and very happy today to do so.
देखिए, संजीव कपूर तो बहुत डिजर्व करते हैं और मुझे लगता है इससे पहले भी उनको मिल जाना चाहिए था. उनको लेट मिला, लेकिन देर आए दुरुस्त आए. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि मेरे दोस्त को, उसके हुनर को, उसकी आर्ट को गवर्नमेंट ने समझा और उसे पद्मश्री दिया. तो मैं बहुत बहुत बधाई देने आया हूँ यहाँ पे और साथ ही खाना खाने आया हूँ. ठीक है, और कुछ. और ये संजीव कपूर के लिए यही कहूँगा कि इसका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर भी बहुत अच्छा है. अभी हम लोग कहीं बाहर थे तो वहाँ एयरपोर्ट पे संजीव कपूर से किसी ने कहा, आपकी तारीफ तो पता करो अच्छा लगता है. और बस कुछ नहीं, तू तक तूतिया, कोने में जाके मुँतिया.
I'm extremely delighted that Sanjeev Kapoor, who's been a pioneer of sorts, who's created an industry which never existed and is such a wonderful human being. I think a melange of being a fantabulous person and a great person at his profession who's created an industry has well deserved got the Padma Shri. I salute the government of India to be giving a man like him such recognition which he deserves, and I'm extremely happy to be a part of this evening.
ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो culinary sphere में इतनी बड़ी उपाधि हासिल करना in itself it's a great honor, and I'm extremely happy to be associated with him for a very long time now. We've known each other for a long time, or I wish him all the best, and he has definitely taken culinary, this sphere, cooking to another level. So I congratulate him. Thank you.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे संजीव कपूर जी को पद्मश्री अवार्ड मिला है, आज इतना बड़ा सेलिब्रेशन है मुंबई में, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सबसे पहली बात तो ये कहना चाहूँगा that it's a great honor. It's a great honor to get the Padma Shri, and it's very well deserved. So congratulations to him and very well done. होना था.